This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get full marks in Betterment. Start by reading the rubric thoroughly and highlight every criterion you must meet. Plan backward from the final grade, assigning time and evidence for each item. Use specific examples that match rubric language and collect supporting documents early. Check your work against the rubric repeatedly and ask for feedback before final submission to ensure you meet every requirement. Begin by converting rubric points into a clear checklist and assign deadlines for each deliverable. Work in focused blocks and review completed items weekly to catch gaps early. Rehearse any verbal or visual elements until they feel natural and precise, using timers to keep concise. Seek a peer or mentor review to catch overlooked details and use their feedback to refine your evidence and explanations before final submission. If this video helps, please subscribe and like to support future content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that keeps you focused during study sessions and commutes. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on quality by providing concrete examples and quantifiable outcomes for each rubric item. Keep formatting consistent and professional to make your submission easy to evaluate. Track versions and document sources so reviewers can verify your work quickly and confidently. Where possible, include brief reflections that explain why each piece meets the criterion and eliminate any unrelated material that might distract from your demonstrated competence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.